Hi guys, it's Annika here with TipRanks. Today we're going to look at 3 dividend stocks under $10 with a dividend yield of at least 9%. The first dividend stock is Annaly Capital Management and its ticker is NLY. The current price for Annaly Capital Management is $8.55 and it's rated a moderate buy by 4 analyst ratings. The average analyst price target is $8.93, which is a 4.51% upside. Annaly Capital Management is a real estate investment trust known as a REIT. REITs are known to deliver excellent dividends, and this is a side consequence because of the tax regulations that require these companies to deliver a large portion of their profits to the investors, and usually this happens through dividends. It's based in New York City and has delivered dividends for over 20 years. It boasts around $93 billion in total assets and around $14 billion in permanent capital. The company's focus is on commercial spaces, mainly retail and office locations, but it also invests in hotels, healthcare, properties, and multi-family dwellings. The next ex-dividend date was on September 29th this year, and the payment date will take place on October 29, 2021. And the amount of dividend paid per share is 22 cents, and it has a dividend yield of 10.35%, with a payout ratio of 38%. As you can see, they have delivered fairly consistent dividends throughout the years. According to TipRanks stock analysis, we can see that bloggers' opinions are also bullish alongside it being a moderate buy by analyst ratings, and TipRanks investors are very positive about it. Although the news is bearish, we're seeing that the technicals are positive. In fact, since Q2 of last year, Annaly's earnings have been increasing steadily. The company has posted 4 consecutive quarters of sequential EPS gains. In fact, in Q1 2021, they reported an EPS of $1.23, and this was more than double the 60-cent EPS in the previous quarter. The strong earnings back a reliable dividend payment, and the company declared its Q2 payment this past June at 22 cents per common share. This is the 5th quarter in a row with a dividend at this rate. It was paid back in both 2019 and 2020, and at the current rate, the payout ratio is only 28%, indicating that the payment is sustainable while the yield is high at 9.9%. The second dividend stock is Presidio Property Trust, and its ticker is SQFT. Presidio Property Trust is also a REIT, and it's based in California, and it describes itself as a contrarian real estate investor as it focuses on the acquisition and the operation of real estate in non-mainstream markets. Examples include real estate space in Colorado Springs and office and industrial parks in Fargo and West Fargo. The company also has properties in Southern California, and the total portfolio exceeds 1.1 million square feet. The current price for Presidio Property Trust is $3.69, and it's rated a moderate buy based on 2 Wall Street analyst ratings, and its upside is around 46%, with an expected price target of $5.38. The ex-dividend date just went by on September 3rd, 2021, and the payment date was September 21st, 2021, and the dividend amount per share was 10 cents, and it boasts a dividend yield of 10.89%, with a payout ratio of negative 57.77%. The company has released 3 quarterly reports since going public, with top-line revenue holding steady between $5.52 million and $5.68 million. As you can see, they have a year-to-date net operating income of $9.8 million. In the most recent report for Q1 2021, the company executed 50 new and renewal office leases, totaling $1 million in monthly revenues, and it collected 96% of rents due. So the dividends that Presidio pays out is around 10 cents per common share, and it's done so for the past 3 quarters since it went public. At an annualized rate of 40 cents per share, the dividend yields an excellent 10%. This compares favorably to Treasury bonds, with the current 10-year bond yielding only 1.33% in the current low-rate environment. The third dividend-yielding stock is Investcorp Credit Management BDC, and its ticker is ICMB. So Investcorp Credit Management is a business development company. They invest money into small mid-cap enterprises, making capital and credit available to corporations that sometimes have difficulty accessing capital markets. Investcorp has a 16-year history in businesses, offices in London and New York, and some $35 billion in total assets under management. The current price for ICMB is $5.48. In terms of price prediction, there hasn't been one given just yet, as it's been deemed a hold, but it has a fantastic dividend yield of 12.11%, and the next ex-dividend date is on September 23rd, 2021, which just went by, and the payment date is on October 14, 2021. The dividend amount per share is 15 cents, and there's a payout ratio of minus 400%. As you can see, the dividend amount per share has been fairly stable throughout the last few years. The company's operations are mainly in the US and Western Europe, but it has been expanding. At the end of June, Investcorp announced the acquisition of Italian tech company CloudCare, investments in Chinese software as a service supply chain management company LinkedCare, and investments in Heritage Foods, a sauces and condiments maker with brand recognition in Japan, Malaysia, and Singapore. As you can see, they have a very diversified portfolio with concentrations in professional services, energy equipment and services, and containers and packaging. In the most recent quarter, the third of fiscal year 2021, the company reported net profit from that portfolio of $29 million. This came out to 29 cents per share. This is a dramatic year-on-year turnaround from the Q3 2020, when the company posted a 3-cent net loss per share. Revenue, however, did come below estimates. So what do you guys think of these high-yielding dividend stocks under $10? And if you have any other dividend stocks you like, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button down below and that subscribe button and that bell notification to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back here next time.